Hello, I'm making this video to remind you guys that September 4th on Friday is test day, and this is an actual test that will be actually graded based on how well they actually complete the test, and it'll be this Friday on myngconnect.com. Now, typically I will have that link right in the classroom, but it's not up yet because it's not Friday yet. You could also access this website by typing in myngconnect. I say reach, but it's myngconnect.com. Myngconnect.com. Okay. Well, if you don't remember this website, this is the first website I had you guys log on to besides Google Classroom and Dojo. And there was success in it. I didn't receive any calls back saying that you weren't able to get in, so I have to assume that either 100% of you made it in or at least 90% because I got a lot of yeses back saying I got in on that day. So that was actually a good day for logging into a website. You're going to go and click on the little penguin or the Students Go site because you are testing for the student or the student is testing. You will put in the username I gave you. If you don't remember what the username was, don't worry. I will post them again. Password is always student. Log in. This will normally be much faster on your laptops. Then you have this beautiful screen here. And over here, there's this pink box. Some might call it purple or magenta. I call it pink. And you're going to click on My Tests. And then there's no test to take right now, but I just want you guys to practice with your students. So in case an adult is not available, I know you guys have, some of you have multiple children you're working with. In case an adult is not available, they will know how to get on the website by themselves, okay? Because I am going to watch them. I have GoGuardian so I can see all of their screens, especially the kids who have a loaner laptop. I can use GoGuardian to look at their screens and make sure that they're on task. You can definitely be in the room, but I don't want to take it until the 4th, so that's why it's not activated yet, number one. And number two, I don't want you helping. It says test. See that word tests? It says test or assessment, do not help, do not pass go. Do not feed them answers. Do not feed them answers. Okay? You're welcome to help with technology, but again, I'm posting this video so that they can get on by themselves without calling you into the room. Okay? This lovely button here is great for you guys because I do have a tendency to grade in bulk over the weekend, but you get to find out your test results right away by clicking this button. So that's even more of an incentive to get tested on this website. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email me. I am definitely a little bit overwhelmed because I am not only the teacher, but I am the IT person and I'm administrative person for my classroom. So if I don't respond right away, I apologize, but I'm trying to respond to everyone as quickly as possible. Have a great day.